Have you ever used a layer mask in Photoshop? Layer masking is a technique that allows you to conceal parts of an image or layer without permanently deleting them. It's an excellent method for adjusting the background, combining two pictures, and targeting specific areas for edits rather than altering the entire layer. Let's get started. When you open a Photoshop, you'll see different options. First, you can create a new file. There are photo, print, art and illustration, website, and mobile options. You can even edit videos here. You can adjust the width, height, resolution, color mode, color profile, pixel aspect ratio, and many more. Today, I will choose the print and A4 sizes. Since my picture will be landscape, I'll change the orientation from portrait to landscape. And that's it. Let's start editing. We start with editing the background. Here's a picture of a mountain. I want to make the sky cloudier and turn the lake into an ocean. First, we must choose the part we want to change, the sky and the lake. Let's start with the sky. Do you know that Photoshop has special tools for selecting skies? You can find them in the toolbar on the upper left. Click on Select and then pick Sky. It will automatically choose the sky. But if you want to select a different area like the lake, you can choose the Quick Selection tool. Just click and drag until you've selected the parts you want. Now the sky is separate from the mountain. And if you want to put them back together, just press Ctrl+D. We'll now use the Quick Selection tool to select the sky. After selecting the sky, unlock the padlock on your layer on the right side. You'll only be able to edit the layer if you do this. After unlocking, just delete the background. Now, insert your sky picture and check the box. Remember to move it under the mountain so the sky appears behind it. And if you want to adjust the picture, just click the Move tool and you can move the picture. Next, we'll turn the lake into an ocean. Insert the ocean picture and adjust its size, and then check the box. Then move the ocean layer to the bottom of the third position. Before refilling the ocean, let's rename the layer to make it clearer. After that, create one more layer mask for the mountain layer. To add a layer mask, click the Layer Mask button on the bottom of the Layers panel. And you can see this is a layer mask for your image. To refill the sea, we'll use a brush. Use black to delete parts and white to show them again. Remember, black deletes and white refills. Just keep doing it until you're happy with it. Finally, I'll switch the setting to darken to blend the colors. And there you have it. By using a layer mask, you can combine two images into one seamlessly. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a like, comment down below for any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Happy editing!